Mabuti na lang ang House, and I was informed that the House conducted the hearing and allowed the witnesses to talk. Kasi si COA, ang chairman, doon sa Senate mismo, hindi makapagsalita ng diretso. Gordon cuts him. If the statement is favorable to yung person na inaakusahan niya, he is already in the inquest stage. He's no longer getting answers from resource person. Ang hinahanap ni Gordon, yung theory that would suit him. And it has become a inquest hearing, not a Senate hearing. And as if the resource persons, or some of them, not all, are already guilty. Kung magsalita naman ang COA, and even the chairman himself, kinakat ni Gordon. But in the House, as I was informed, everybody were given a chance. Those who were called to testify were able to complete their story, and it is a more sane inquiry because ang mga witnesses nakapagsalita ng kanilang totoong sagot.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.